7 reasons Caruso Kitchen Designs should be your go-to choice for luxury kitchen renovations. Are you looking to give your kitchen a luxurious makeover? Here are 7 reasons why you should consider Caruso Kitchen Designs for your next kitchen renovation project. 1. Unparalleled expertise. Since 1983, Caruso Kitchen Designs has been providing award-winning custom kitchens, bathrooms, and cabinetry that fit our customers' unique life and style. Our designers have a deep understanding of kitchen design trends, materials, and techniques and will put their 150 years of combined experience to work helping you create the kitchen of your dreams. 2. Customized designs. At Caruso Kitchen Designs, we understand that every client has unique requirements and preferences. We offer personalized design solutions tailored to your specific needs and desires. Whether you prefer a traditional, transitional, contemporary, modern, or rustic style, our team will create a design that reflects your individual taste and lifestyle. 3. High-quality materials. When it comes to luxury kitchen renovations, quality is key. Caruso Kitchen Designs only uses the finest materials available to ensure durability, functionality, and beauty. From custom cabinetry and exquisite countertops to top-of-the-line appliances, we source materials from trusted suppliers to guarantee a long-lasting and luxurious kitchen. 4. Attention to detail. Caruso Kitchen Designs pays meticulous attention to every detail of your kitchen renovation. From the layout and functionality to the smallest finishing touches, our team ensures that every aspect of your kitchen is flawlessly executed. We understand that it's the small details that elevate a kitchen from ordinary to extraordinary. 5. Seamless project management. Taking on a kitchen renovation can be overwhelming, but Caruso Kitchen Designs takes the stress out of the process. We have a streamlined project management system in place to ensure that your renovation is completed on time and within budget. Our team will handle every aspect of the project, from initial design to final installation, allowing you to sit back and enjoy the transformation. 6. Exceptional customer service. Caruso Kitchen Designs is committed to providing exceptional customer service throughout the renovation process. We value open communication and will keep you informed every step of the way. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is always available to answer any questions or address any concerns you may have. Your satisfaction is our top priority. 7. Stunning results. When you choose Caruso Kitchen Designs for your luxury kitchen renovation, you can expect nothing short of stunning results. Our attention to detail, expertise, and use of high-quality materials will transform your kitchen into a luxurious and functional space that you will love for years to come. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty and craftsmanship of your new kitchen. If you're in the market for a luxury kitchen renovation, Caruso Kitchen Designs should be your go-to choice. With our expertise, attention to detail, and commitment to customer satisfaction, we will create a kitchen that is both luxurious and functional. Trust Caruso Kitchen Designs to bring your dream kitchen to life. We proudly serve the entire Denver metro area from our main office in Lakewood, Colorado. To schedule a no-obligation appointment, contact us today.